Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna take a look at gold and silver, a bit of charting, and the healthy correction that they had in the past few days. If you are going to like the video, of course, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the charts. So as we can see here, in the past few days, 3 or 4 days, we actually are three trading days, we had a healthy correction in both gold and silver, especially in like today in silver was a really pretty big correction, almost 3%. So usually what you want to do when this happens is you want to set up some buying orders. Of course, every time I'm calling for buying orders, this is what I'm doing. um, Legally, I can say whatever I want about gold and silver because they are not securities, they are commodities. So, but again, do your own research. And when I'm saying buy gold and silver, I'm only buying physical coins. So keep that in mind. So right now, uh, I'm looking to buy some gold and silver because, excuse me, I always buy on pullbacks because I learned from my 2 year of experience learning about the financial system and about uh, looking at charts and so on that is really good to have patience because uh, you will always have pullbacks. Like you can see every 2 months, like 50 days. There's like 50 days here, 50 days. So like we already see a pattern in silver. Every 50 days, give or take a few days, we have a healthy correction in the spot price. So in my opinion, it's always a good time to accumulate every 50 days or every time there's a considerable pullback. But you also have to look at the premiums, even though they don't really matter in the grand scheme of things. But yeah, pullbacks are, in my opinion, the best time to accumulate. And like, if we want to get a bit technical, yeah, the price of silver got rejected first at the, let's change the color on this, at the 100 day. Let's make it, I don't know, purple. First rejected at the 100, had a pullback, then it went up to the 200 daily moving average, and then another pullback. And yesterday I was expecting to hold the 100 daily because we had a reverse head and shoulder pattern here. This was the neckline. At first I was expecting to hold the neckline maybe and then shoot up, but it actually didn't even hold the 100 daily. So in the next few days, um, silver might go to 2250, 2270. Again, I'm not predicting. It could go. It could find support in this area. You never know. I cannot make correct predictions in the short term, like really short term, 1 or 2 days. All I can gather from looking at the chart is that basically every 50 days, here is a bit longer, 80 days. But here we have 55 day, here we have 51 days, here we have 54 days. So every 50 to 55 days, we're gonna have a correction in the price of silver. So I'm buying physical coins. Right now, yeah, I'm from Europe. I'm not from France. If you're from Europe, you can buy from here. I had no trouble with them. I don't know much French, but you can figure it out if you're from Europe, of course. And they are selling bullion uh, from basically every every country, every mint that you want. So right now I'm looking at the Britannias and Noah's Ark. They seem cheap. I mean, they are the cheapest silver bullion, like investment. But the cheapest per gram or per ounce that they have on the site is some constitutional silver. This one, the 5 franc semis. So yeah, if we'll use a calculator, they are 728 euros, and yeah, this is 835 fine. Total weight is 12 gram. Fine weight is so basically the pure silver contained, besides the copper or whatever they have in it. It's about 10 grams. So 728 euros divided by this, we get like 72.6 euro cents per gram. Uh, so yeah, if we look at Noah's Ark, it's 2419 divided by 31.104. I like to calculate in grams. So you can see that was 72, this is 77. So they are a bit cheaper. Now the difference is that this is 3 nines fine, of course. Yeah, also looking at the gold chart, these are some lines that I drawn before this breakout. Uh, yeah, gold got rejected in this area. I think this trend line is a huge area of resistance that gold kind of needs to break out, and it could happen if gold in my opinion, gold has a lot of support here. It's coming to this short-term trend line, and the 100 and 200 daily moving average are in the same spot. You can also check the 50. Let's see where the 50 resides at. Same spot. So gold has a lot of support. Basically, this was a huge trading zone. A lot of shares were exchanged in this, so it's a lot of volume was exchanged in this area. Yeah, I was not expecting like 3 really important moving averages are converging in the same area in this 1788 to 1800. Let's see the 300 daily. I'm actually curious. Same, almost the same area. So it's a lot of support slash resistance in this area. We'll see if gold can hold it. It would be interesting to see. Yeah, right now I'm not buying gold, but that's just in my case because I'm from Europe and there's a law that the European Parliament took approved, and they will basically remove the VAT exemption for for every, I think for every single coin of silver. So basically from January we're gonna have to pay 20% more for silver. So that's why I'm buying silver now, because I can still buy it. There may be some exemptions in the future, but I'm not sure. So I want to buy now. If there are gonna be exemptions since January, great. I'm gonna continue buying, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, uh, I'm just waiting for silver. Yeah, it could find support here, some short-term support. It's possible. Uh, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, it actually could go a lot lower because I made another video like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, something like that, where I also pointed out that a really good time to buy is when the RSI follows in this area, in this lower bound. So let's say that in the next 2 days silver goes to 2270, maybe the RSI will also go to 30, and that would be actually the best time to set up an order. And it's kind of looking like it is because there's not much support. Yeah, there's actually, this is an area of support, but yeah, between these two green lines, I think this is the ultimate range of support. So I'm expecting a 2270 by the end of the week. Again, it's not a prediction, but that's what I'm expecting. And I'm gonna set up an order this week for sure. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Consider leaving a like, a comment in the description below, subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.